With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is evaluate, integrate sin square x dx, second cos square x dx, third sin square x cos square x. We will solve one by one. Firstly, we will take first part, which is integration of sin square x dx. To solve this question, we have to use an identity. The identity that we used here is, we know cos 2x equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So we can write sin square x equals to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. So in this question, we will put in place of sin square x 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. So 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 whole dx. Now to integrate it, we will separate it 1 by 2 dx minus cos 2x upon 2 dx. Now we can take 1 by 2 out of the bracket because it is a constant part, so we can write it 1 into dx minus 1 by 2 integration of cos 2x dx. Integration of 1 is only x, so it is x by 2 minus integration of cos 2x is sin 2x, and here 2x, according to chain rule, we will differentiate again, integrate or differentiate 2x, so we get the integration of cos 2x is 1 upon 2 sin 2x upon 2 plus c. This is the answer of integration of sin square x. Now second part. Second part is saying integration of cos square x. We will solve this part also like first part. Here we have to use identity, which is cos 2x equals to one more identity, which is 2 cos square x minus 1. So we can write cos square x equals to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. By using this identity, we will replace cos square x with, we can replace it 1 plus cos 2x upon 2 dx. Exactly same like first part. We will separate it 1 by 2 dx plus integration of cos 2x upon 2 dx. Now again we can write it 1 upon 2 integration of dx plus 1 upon 2 integration of cos 2x dx. So it can be x upon 2 and it will be sin cos 2x integration is sin 2x upon 2 plus constant. This is the final answer of second part of our question. Now come to the third part. The third part of the question is integration of sin square x and cos square x. So here we solving third part. Integration of sin square x cos square x dx. In this question we have to use some identities also. We can write this sin x into cos x square, but we can multiply by 4 and divide it by 4. Why we are doing this? 1 minute, I will clear you. We can write this 2 sin x into cos x whole square upon 4 dx, and we know 2 sin x cos x is an identity of sin 2x. Sin 2x equals to 2 sin x cos x. So here we can write it in next step. It will become integration of sin 2x whole square upon 4 dx. Now it will become integration of sin square 2x dx upon 1 by 4. We will take it out. Now again we are using identity that like sine cos 2x equals to 1 minus 2 sine square x. Here we can clearly see if angle is 2x, then it will become became x. So if we multiplied it by 2, means cos 4x, so it will become 1 minus 2 sine square 2x. So by this we can find the value of sine square 2x. So it will come 1 minus cos 4x upon 2. This is the value of sine square 2x. Now here we will use it to solve this question. So we can write it 1 upon 4 and 1 minus cos 4x upon 2 dx. Now it is easy to integrate this. We can take 2 as common, so it will become 1 by 8. Integration of 1 minus cos 4, it will become like first part, exactly like. So 1 by 8 integration of 1 dx minus 1 by 8 integration of cos 4x dx. So this will become x upon 8 minus integration of cos 4x is sine 4x upon 4 plus constant. So finally that the answer will be x upon 8 minus sine 4x upon 8 4s are 32 plus c. This is our required solution. This is the final answer. Hope you get your answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.